Hello students. Today we will study about the classification of monohalo compounds on the basis of the hybridization state of the carbon of CX bond. Okay, carbon and halogen bond. So we will study about the hybridization. We will study these monohalogen compound on the basis of the hybridization of this carbon atom. So first one, it is the compounds containing carbon and X bond is there, and here the carbon is sp3 hybridized, and X, it is chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, any halogen. The halogen atom, it is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, means this carbon either not attached to anyone, or if it attached to any other carbon, then single bond is there. This carbon, it is sp3 hybridization, it is taking place. Sp3 hybridization we have studied in class 11th also. Yes. Now the first one are haloalkanes, or they are commonly called alkyl halides. Okay. The halogen atom is bonded to an alkyl group. The halogen atom X, it is bonded to an alkyl group, means Rx. This is primary haloalkane, where carbon, two possibilities are there. It might be that if it is not attached to any other carbon atom, only one halogen atom and other hydrogens are there, or it is attached to only one carbon atom, then such haloalkanes, they are called primary haloalkanes. These are the secondary haloalkanes. Secondary means the carbon atom to which the halogen is attached, it is attached to two more carbon atoms. This R is representing an alkyl group. An alkyl group, obviously it has carbon. Now see this one, tertiary haloalkane. The carbon atom to which halogen is attached, this carbon atom is attached to three more carbon atoms. This is tertiary haloalkane. So this was haloalkane, where the carbon atom to which this halogen is attached, this is sp3 hybridized. Its second category is allylic halides. Allylic halides, the halogen atom X, it is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. See, this carbon atom, it is sp3 hybridized, and next to that carbon atom is the carbon atom where carbon-carbon double bond is present. Okay, so halogen atom, it is bonded to sp3 hybrid carbon atom, and next to that carbon atom there is carbon-carbon double bond, and this is the allylic carbon. Okay, next to that carbon there is a carbon-carbon double bond. So such halides are called allylic halides. If we'll see here double bond is present, and see here halogen is present, and next to it is the carbon where double bond is present. So these are called allylic halides. Now its next category, it is benzylic halides. Okay, the halogen atom is bonded to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, again sp3 hybridized carbon atom, next to an aromatic ring. See, this is the aromatic ring. Okay, and carbon atom is attached, or sorry, halogen is attached to that carbon atom which is attached to a benzene ring. So such halides are called benzylic halides, and here also this carbon to which this halogen is attached, this carbon is sp3 hybridized. So this was about the carbon or the compounds where the CX bond where it is present, this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Now we will see those compounds where carbon is sp2 hybridized. The carbon to which any halogen is attached, that carbon is sp2 hybridized. The halogen atom is directly bonded to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom. See, two types are there. The first one is vinylic and the second one is aryl. Vinyl halides, halogen atom is bonded to one of the carbon atoms of the carbon-carbon double bond. See, carbon-carbon double bond is there, and to that carbon only this halogen is attached. So these are vinylic. This is vinylic carbon, and such compounds are called vinylic halides. Here if you'll see, this is a closed structure, and this halogen, it is directly attached to that carbon which is having a double bond. Now aryl halides. These halides have a halogen atom directly linked to the carbon atom of the aromatic ring. It is directly linked to, see, all these are carbons here, all these are carbons here, and this halogen, it is directly attached to the benzene ring, the carbon of the benzene ring. Now C, these are the compounds containing sp. Sp means directly attached to that carbon which is having a carbon-carbon triple bond. So these are the compounds which contain carbon, and X where carbon is sp hybridized. Now haloalkanes or alkyl halides. See, commonly if you'll see, it is called, in trivial system or in common system, it is called alkyl halide, and in IUPAC system these are called haloalkanes, like methyl bromide, bromomethane, like this. So monohalogen, mono means only one halogen is there. Monohalogen derivative of alkane, they are usually referred to as haloalkanes, where one halogen is present, which has replaced one hydrogen of an alkane, having the general formula CnH2n plus 1 X Rx. CnH2n is the alkyl group. Now nomenclature, the first one is the trivial or common system. In the system, the term alkyl halide is used. See, three prefixes are there. The first one is small n dash, normal, iso, and neo. Normal, iso, neo. Normal is the chain where it is a continuous chain like this, and bond is showing that it is an alkyl group. So this is a normal straight chain when it is there. So it is called N. Iso, where methyl branch at the end of the chain. See here, this carbon which is to be attached to the main chain. Here bond is there. This carbon, it is having two carbon atoms attached to it. See, this carbon atom to which this bromo is attached, this is attached to two more carbon atoms. This is isopropyl group, and if we'll see this is isopropyl bromide, alkyl halide. Now the prefix neo, it is used to describe those alkyl halides which contain two methyl group to the same carbon atom, where the halogen is attached to that carbon atom, two more carbon atoms are attached. Like the example is this one. See, this is the carbon atom. See, this is the carbon atom, and to this carbon two more carbons are attached. So this is neopentyl group. Now IUPAC system, that was a trivial system. Now IUPAC system. IUPAC name, it is haloalkane. Yes, halogen will be named first, and then the alkane we will write. Like if you'll see this, the counting will start from here 1, because here this halogen is present, 1 2 3. This is methyl group, and chain is of 3 carbon atom. It means propane. To this propane, at first position bromo is attached, and to second position methyl group is attached. So its name will be 1 bromo 2 methyl propane. Okay, now few structures I have given you, structural formulas are there, and you have to give their IUPAC names. Thank you.